Hi boys and girls, welcome to our word study lesson for this week. This week we are learning all about the letter D, like dolphin, and we are learning all about the word do. Alright, so let's go through and name the pictures on the D page over here. If you can see the pictures, then go ahead and read them with me, okay? Door, dime, dog, Oh, it's a fishing rod. Mrs. G did not look at that before. A rod. So now they switch the sound and it's at the end of the word. So rod, ed, bed. Alright, and then the word do. D-O spells do. We do want to go. Ready? Read it with me. We do want to go. I can help you do it. Read it with me. I can help you do it. Very good, boys and girls. So you have a practice page in your reading packet that you are going to finish. I think there is 2 or 3 of them that you're going to finish today practicing the letter D and the sight word do. All right, boys and girls, I will see you for our next lesson.